Hello, welcome to my GIMP video tutorial series. In this video I will show you the GIMP text tool and zoom tool. So in this video I will show you how to use the GIMP text tool and zoom tool. First I will show you how to use GIMP text tool. GIMP text tool is where you can type words or words with numbers, so I will show you how to do that. First click the text tool on the upper left corner. You can also do the shortcut key by typing letter T key on your keyboard. Once you click that tool, aim it at the bond paper, any area within the bond paper itself, and type any words you like to type. As you can see, you type your first words using text tool for the first time, and you can change the text color by double-clicking this text, and click this color. And as you can see, you can choose any color you like. In my case I will choose blue. You can choose any color you like. Once you choose your certain color, click OK. As you can see, the previous text color has been changed to a new color. You can also change the text size by clicking the arrow up to increase the text size, or you can type your desired text size by clicking and typing text size any you want. You can also change the length unit any you want. You may want to explore other text tools options offer you to get good at it. What about the zoom tool? How can we do that? You can do that by simply clicking Ctrl key plus your mouse scroll. That is how you zoom in and zoom out. You can also set the percent of the zoom by changing the value of the current percent of the zoom we are viewing in. In my case I will choose 50%. And as you can see, the view we are looking right now is set to 50%. You can also change the length unit any you want. And that's pretty much of it on how to use the GIMP text tool and zoom tool. If you want to watch another video related or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. And thank you for watching this video tutorial, and have a good day.